Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I need a laptop screen. Half of it is this green and pink lines all over it. So yeah, I have to go buy another computer in order to edit this video properly. So let's go to the other computer. Yeah, so my laptop screen gone through. Again, like a half a green screen. So I have to use the computer, well, the general computer in the house to get the nails. Get the nails done. Did the video for the set. So yeah, this is me pulling it up, and you will see the rest of the video right now. So the set we're going to be doing today is a green plaid press-on design for a client of mine. Now this is a regular client, so I already had our measurements, and this is going to be a 10-piece set today. So here I am attaching the full cover tips onto the nail stands, and then we're going to get into our nail prep. If you're new here, my name is Shameen, and here on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. So to prep, I'm just filing off the free edge of these nails just to make sure everything is nice and smooth at the tip. And now I'm going to apply some primer to the nails, and what this does, it removes the shine from the surface of the nails so that the gel polish could adhere to the nails better. So we're going to do that for all of the nails, and then we're going to start our design. First color I'm using is called Miss Kelly from Ija Beauty, and it is this lovely green color. So I'll be applying that to 3 of the nails, and then the other 2 nails will be the accent nails. What I noticed about this color is that it is heavily pigmented, so I only needed just about 2 coats for full coverage, but I still went ahead and I did about 3 to 4 coats of this polish just for extra layers of strength for the nails. So for the accent nails, the base color is Natural Choice from Ija Beauty, so you'll just be applying a couple of layers to the nails, and then of course we're going to cure this in the UV lamp for just about 30 seconds. Okay, so now it's time to do our accent nails in the plaid design, and of course we're doing that on the nails with the nude polish. Before I started this, I ended up adding an extra coat of polish onto the nail, just for additional strength and to make sure the nail is opaque so that you don't see through it. And so after I did that, the client did send me a picture of exactly how she wanted the nails to be. So I'm going to show you this picture right here. So I use the colors I have to match it as much as accurately as possible, I should say. So I did wipe off the nail with some alcohol in order to be able to draw on it, because it's easier to draw when the surface of the nail is not shiny. So I'm going to be mixing some colors in order to get the color of the brown line we saw in the picture. So I'm mixing red or candy apple, mellow yellow, and of course Natural Choice, all from Ija Beauty, in order to try to achieve this color. So I'm just mixing it, and you will see me mixing it and adding some more yellow and more of the nude to get the color as close as possible to the picture. By the way, we've finally reached another milestone of 200 subscribers. This is so awesome. So it's really nice to see the channel growing. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who supports this channel, and we hope to see it continue to grow in the future, of course. Alright, so we'll just keep mixing until I get this color. It took some time. Okay, so now that I finally got the color I want and it looks as close as possible to the picture, now it's time to start the plaid design with our lines, and I'm just going to be basically following the picture in order to imitate the design on the nail. Of course, I work very slowly, so this next part of the video is going to be sped up. By the way, the nail art brush I'm using is from Beetles and I got it in a pack off of Amazon.com. So I will see if I can link it down below or something similar so that you can do your line art with, especially when you have to draw longer lines. These are how the nails look after adding the first set of lines for the plaid design. So now we're moving on to the next step, and that is going to be adding some white polish to my mixing palette so that we'll now add the white lines to the nails. So I'm just speeding through this part because if I don't speed through this part, this video will go on for at least a half an hour. These are how the nails look after adding the white, and now for the final part of the design we're going to be going back to this green color, which is the entire theme or the color theme of the set. So we're going to be taking some out and putting it on the mixing palette, and now we're just going to be drawing in the lines, the green lines on the nails for the last part of this design. So doing a plaid design is pretty simple. You just basically strategically place horizontal and vertical lines on the nail to create this nice layered effect. So while I was doing this nail in particular, I didn't like how the lines were looking. So I decided to wipe it off and start again. And this is the beauty about gel polish. The gel polish is wet until you cure it in the UV lamp. So when you're doing press-on nails, it is much easier to use gel polish as opposed to using regular polish. Because with regular polish, you'll probably have to start the nail all over again. Because regular polish starts to dry as soon as it comes out of the bottle. So that is one benefit of using gel polish. You could have as many tries as possible before you put it in the UV lamp. So I liked how this one came out a lot better, and once I was satisfied with it, I put it to cure. So these are how the nails look after finishing the plaid design, and now I am just wiping off that sticky layer with some alcohol in preparation for a top coat. While I was wiping off the green nails, I realized that some of the polish was coming off on the cotton, but this problem was easily fixed by putting back the nails in the UV lamp to cure for a little longer period of time. So yeah, this happens, I realized, only with highly pigmented polishes. So now it's time for that. I know usually you'll hear me say that sleek shiny finish, but today we're going to be doing a matte top coat, and this matte top coat I got in a nail box here a couple of months ago, and that is what we're going to be using to finish off the nails today. We're going to be having a nice matte finish on this plaid design. So of course we'll be applying that to all the nails, and then we'll put it in the UV lamp to cure for about 60 seconds. So this is the finished matte look after curing in the UV lamp. I must say I'm really impressed with this matte top coat, and the set came out really lovely. So this is a little video of the nails out in the sunlight. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more nail videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.